Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys to a new video. In this video today we are going to see how to block personal devices to download attachment from Outlook, OneDrive, SharePoint. So it means the end user cannot download attachments only from the compliance or corporate devices such as Windows or Android or macOS as well. But in personal devices cannot download attachments. We can see that I already signed in by this user on personal device. As you can see, if that user want to download this attachment, once he click download and choose the place to save the file, he will see this message, this window pops up and tell him you cannot download its block from your organization. Also from SharePoint, the same thing will happen. The same pop-up window appear, shows up and tell you are not authorized to do that. Also the attachments from OneDrive, from Outlook as well. But in corporate laptop or corporate devices such as Android or macOS or Windows, he can do that as we can see or from OneDrive or SharePoint, can easily download without any error or message from OneDrive, also without any block, any prevent or anything. So how we can apply that? We apply that on Intune by conditional access. We have to create a policy to block that things. So let's go to Intune. So in Intune, okay, do not sign out, okay. So Intune, we are going to click on devices, then we have to search conditional access, then policies, and we create new policy. Let's give it a name, for example, block. Already I have this name. So users, I want to apply this for all users, and you have to be aware and careful. You must exclude the administrator. In my case, this is my administrator. User and sign in group, and I fill up my name, the name of the admin. Here is, and select. Okay, okay. The target, we wanna block download attachments from application on Microsoft. Let's go to all resources or select resources, then select and choose Microsoft 365. So Microsoft 365, its cover include all apps we know, such as Microsoft Teams, Outlook, OneDrive, SharePoint, and so on. So this is the majority. Select, and then we are going to jump to conditions. Okay, here is very important and condition. Okay, let's go to device platform. Where do you want to apply this block download attachment? I wanna upload it the Android, iOS, Windows, macOS, Linux, or you can choose if you want. Okay, click down, and then this is very important. We must fill up and set the settings on filter for devices. So let's enable it, yes, and then here exclude. It means please, in order to achieve that, we are going to block a downloading attachment for any devices. Okay, but how to tell conditional access, please block this on all computers, but please accept those corporate compliant devices. Here we're gonna put those exclude devices. So let's choose the first one, device ownership equal company. Okay, now it's like is compliance, yes, to make sure it's true. Those two conditions filter and exclude the corporate device. Then the last thing we have to do, go to session and use conditional access app control, then select block download easily. Then select and enable the policy. Here we are. We're done. That's all for this. Thanks. Create. As you can see, test block. So let's do just refresh to see the policy we have created right now. This is the policy. If you click on it, you can view or modify, and also you can view the reporting from view policy impact. As you can see here, the resources, the report, how this policies work and blocks and so on. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. See you later. Enjoy.